Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. So today we are finishing off issue 31 of the Ghostbusters Ecto-1 build, and we have the parts for stage 118 here. Not a lot to it, but let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see what we got. And here are the parts that we get with stage 118. We have the central ceiling panel. We have interior light bases left and right. Luckily, they do have a little R and guessing a little L. Yep, little L on these. So you can tell which is which. We have the interior light lenses, and we have a couple of stickers and just a couple of screws. Okay, we're going to take a little bit of a different tack here and see if this works out. Basically, what we're going to be doing here is taking these two cables here. These are the interior lights. Okay, we're going to be plugging them into this. Frankly, it should be fun. Now, we do have these four little divots here. Those are going to go into these four posts here. There are some more holes for some bases along the edges and little screw holes for the little posts where we're actually going to be screwing this in. We're going to be using EM screws. Now the interesting thing, in my opinion, is according to the instructions, and this piece of tape won't stay, but according to the instructions, it actually shows these cables basically still hanging loose, just coming up this way and hanging loose. So we're not actually channeling those cables appropriately yet, but it does mean that you can see these little, I don't know, ravines here. That's where the cables are going to come down this, and you're going to want to make sure they stay in there as you're putting it in. And it's going to come to the front just like this. But to kick things off, when you're looking at it from this angle, this is right and this is left. So this is the left base. We're just going to go ahead and pop that left base in. Oh, whoop. Sorry, before we do that, let's get the lenses. Ooh, I'm not even showing this on camera. Sorry about that. We're going to get the lenses just to push fit right in, just like that. And now we've got two of them. And with that done, I'm in here. This is left, so it'll go here, and there is a little arrow. That arrow will point down this little line there, like that. We just push it in. Okay. Do the same for the other side. Just like that. Now, here's where things get interesting. You're going to want to pop those cables in here, and based on this, looks like the shorter of those cables goes into the left and the longer into the right. Then you bend the cable down, and then you bend the cable down and you bring it down this little ravine, and then you pop this in place. So let's see if I can't get that done. All right, it is worth noting that the stickers that they provided are actually meant, if I can ever get one out, geez Louise, there we go. To help you with the alignment. So once you've got this down this ravine here, you get this sticker in place to hold it there. And we do the same for the other side. Okay. Then we're going to pop this in place. just like that. And we're going to use 4 EM screws to hold it in place. Okay, and that is what they want it to look like when it's done. And as you can see, we do have these cables right here that are still loose. So I'm not sure how we're planning to get rid of them. I'm sure we will find out eventually. That, I'm sad to say, is the end of stage 118 and the end of issue 31. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Have a great day.